Hello guys, so I am back with my part 3 of this KDP series, and in this video we will be seeing how we are going to make these AI generated pictures into a colorable picture. So for that I'm trying to upload all the pictures here. You can see that's very easy. Just go to the uploads and you can easily upload all these pictures. As you can see, my pictures were not according to the dimension, so I have to arrange them by using the cropping tool. I have to crop these images into my margins, but I also need to take care of the alignment as well. So this picture you can see very gray area, you can see that. So I'm using the line art tool here. Line art tool basically convert everything into white except the outline. So as you can see, the difference is clear in front of me, right? So you can see that this tool, obviously many of you already know that this tool is not free. When you have a pro version of Canva, you can then access this tool. Otherwise, you have to use the other method, like you can do the adjustment, or maybe you can ask ChatGPT to keep the grayscaling low as much as it can. So here I was using this tool because right now I am using my trial period of the Canva. So right now I'm using this line art, and luckily I can make a better version of this color book by using this function. Very amazing function, very helpful. If you want to use this, you can also buy the pro version. It will really help you, like if you were actually making, or if you are actually trying to make a color book, or you want to make it a hobby, or maybe you want to start a business, then this tool is pretty good. You can purchase the pro version and you can easily use these all. There are many other functions as well, but in this video particularly I use this line art. So that's why I'm suggesting you that if you can buy it for your coloring book, it will be very helpful. So all the pictures generated by the AI, they can't be correct, of course. So while arranging the pictures, while looking at the photos, you have to take care of many things. You have to take care that your character is made correctly. You have to look like nothing should be missed. No part of your character is missed. As you can see in this photo, the 1 ear of the bunny is missing. So I went to the ChatGPT, asked it that please regenerate it, because I want my character correct. So I'm now uploading again the newly designed picture, and here I have my newly generated picture. Now it has 2 years. The band is not really aligned, but I just left it like it's fine. So here I am going to make like 27 pages, I guess. So yeah, here you can see the preview of my coloring book. It's pretty, it's very pretty. If you are watching this, please buy it and color it. It is so stress free. You can see that. Just look at the character. It's just amazing, and with few clicks you can design it. It's just amazing. So in this part I'm just telling how you assemble it. Oh, one more thing, just leave the page between two images, because if a person is using the color marker, so it would be helpful for that person, because it will not leave stain on the other picture. So yeah, here I am just adding one more page, and that's how it is going to give me total like 52 pages, and still we have to make the cover. So in the next video I'll be showing you how to design a cover of your coloring book in Canva. Stay tuned.